For our last part po, sir, Pinoy Bro, I'm gonna ask you a question and then you can have your reaction about this. Forward mga napag-usapan po natin and sa pwede pang mangyari in the future kay Congressman Kiko Barsaga kasi right now suspended pa rin siya.
Hmm.
What do you perceive about his future as a congressman? And second, meron pa po ba siyang moral high ground to say anything about politics or about social issues, knowing whatever he did before at yung mga accusation and yung suspension niya ngayon sa Kamara.
Again, Pilikas, 'di ba, katulad na sabi ko kanina, there's nothing impossible when it comes to politics.
Mhm,
You could be the villain now, you can be the villain now, but who can say in your future or a few years, you'll be the hero.
mhm,
He could be the villain now kasi he gambled on or risk na yung mga stunts na yan, mag-ingay, do some issues, create scandals, whoever or whatever behind that, kung meron man sumusuporta sa kanya, nagbabak sa kanya, we don't know. Pero nothing is impossible. You could be a villain now, with a few years from now, you're the hero. Kasi people would say, let's say for example, napatunayan after an X number of years to the future na you could tap on that. You could exploit it. Pero sa ngayon, when you ask about yung moral high ground, I think he lost it sa ngayon.
you already lost it.
Na he already lost it sa ngayon.
How about political redemption? What do you think about it?
He has chance for a political redemption. Bata pa siya, eh, 'di ba?
Yeah, yeah.
Right? Bata pa siya. May panahon pa. It's not the end of the line. It doesn't mean that you're foolish now, that you cannot change to be a great statesman in the future.
Mhm,
It
correct.
applies to every politician, every young politician that we have right now.